it is late on Monday, November 9th, 2009. This week we're talking about getting ready for Thanksgiving. How are you going to do Thanksgiving holiday? How are you going to stay on plan? How are we going to get through this? So this week we're talking about Thanksgiving. It's coming up in 2 weeks, and the question is, how are you going to get through the holidays with regards to your diet and exercise plans? Fortunately for me, maybe, I don't have exercise plans right now. My plan is simply to continue to do the best I can to keep my calories under control. And last week was the first mark of complete success where I was below maintain weight calories, or at, but many days I was below all week long. So this is huge progress. With regard to the Thanksgiving holiday, I am actually not worried, and this is the first year I have not been worried, because I'm actually hosting Thanksgiving at my place, and it's just going to be me and my mom. My mom is flying down from Seattle for a business trip the first half of the week, and then she's going to spend the holiday with me and then fly home. And we're going to do Indian food, which I'm really excited for, and we're going to make it ourselves. My mom knows a lot of Indian recipes. She's not Indian, but I was raised on Indian food just as my parents loved it. So what we're going to do is have some naan and probably like aloo gobi and, I don't know, some curry. We haven't really decided, maybe rice and dal, and probably have traditional pumpkin pie at the end. But when you're hosting Thanksgiving yourself, you can really pick and choose the meals, and then if you're making them, you can make healthier versions. So for me, we're actually just going to do something non-traditional. As my mom put it, I could go the rest of my life and never have turkey and stuffing again, and I would be fine with it. I'm totally on the same page. I know a lot of people out there like holiday food, but I was raised in a vegan household, so Thanksgiving has never been very traditional. In the potatoes and corn and green bean sense, yes, but never had turkey, no stuffing. We had many holidays where none of us were eating bread, so it's always been a little different in my household. But this Thanksgiving, my mom's going to be over. In fact, I'm more worried about the business dinner we're having the night before, where we're going out to a restaurant, than I am about the actual holiday. So let's just say that I'm going to do my best to eat light during the first half of the day, just light fruits probably and vegetables, and then that way I can have a bigger dinner and my calories will stay in check, and hopefully I'll still be able to stay in the balanced raw food guidelines in terms of what mixes in the stomach, even though it won't actually be raw food. So that's how I'm handling the holiday, and I recommend anybody who's hosting the holiday at their home really start thinking about how you can do it healthier, how you can make mashed potatoes that are not 100 billion calories per scoop, things like that. In my case, my mom and I just simply decided we're going to go spicy Indian food and have a ball eating something that we love, as opposed to preparing all this food that we don't even really want. So that's my short video. I'm sorry today is super short and super late. I've been spending the whole day answering YouTube messages, and I'm more than halfway done, which is very exciting. So yes, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for the rest of the week as you see how all of us all over the world are going to handle this holiday and keep on plan and keep losing weight through the holiday, which is, of course, the ideal for the season. So I'll see you next week, and until then, take care and enjoy the topic this week.